Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to convert a 2D drawing into 3D. If you are a beginner, it is going to be very useful for you. As a first step, complete the drawing as you do normally. Second most important thing for a 3D art is shadow. Draw the shadow carefully by observing the thing which you are drawing. The third step is to cut the paper in this direction. So let's cut it out. Then add more lighting and shadows to look it more realistic. The final step is to draw lines to look it more three-dimensional. If you are a beginner, I hope this video helps you to learn the first step of 3D art. But if you want to do drawings more three-dimensionally, you want to know perspectives and other aspects, I have already posted a 3D drawing using perspectives. I have given the link in the description. If you have not seen it yet, please go and watch it. Leave a comment if you want me to draw anything in my upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.